Welcome to another Father Chukwu the Barber tutorial. Father Chukwu TV. You can follow me on YouTube and everything. Today I got my boy Terrence with me. I'm not gonna tell you his last name for privacy reasons, but yeah, it's a cool guy. Been cutting him for a minute now.
That was fast. Some of this hurt.
That's scary. That's scary. That's scary. This is how fast my hands move?
Yeah, you heard that? Bro said that shit was scary. My arm speed. Boy, he's getting a high taper. High taper today. Start off with my ball line. Trimmers 0 because I'm starting to fade high and stuff like that. I'm gonna bald everything at the bottom. I'm not gonna do a shadow. Cutting the neckline. It's the first time I'm actually showing the neck part of the haircut. And to start off with the clippers open, no guard. Using my magic clips. It's my favorite clippers because they're so sharp. What's it called? Speed through, guard open, one guard open, speed through. Right here, when I was recording this video, I didn't get to record the hairline because my camera died. But I basically took everything in the front line down so I can keep his hairline intact as much as possible. You see there's a gap right there in the patch, but that's just where his weak hair starts for real. I don't believe in pushing hairlines all the way back because people look ugly when you do that stuff. And their hairline grows back and stuff. People look way, way, way too bad when y'all do that. But thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. It's a short clip, not too funny. Take me serious. Book me. My appointments are online only.